Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Royal Match. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about Royal Match and we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.